Hi loves, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So the last time I actually filmed the whole video on me decorating my Christmas tree and everything, but I wasn't able to post it because my space is really fucking up. But I don't really know if I would be talking about some gifts ideas you can be getting for your girlfriend and your boyfriend, and then your parents, and then I would be putting the clips of me decorating a Christmas tree that 2 days ago. I'll be putting the clips inside here, so it will be a two-way something right now on here. So guys, I don't know if you have been anticipating for my Christmas tree video, but you're literally gonna see it here. So I don't know, but the first idea or first gift idea, and yeah, before I start, if you're new here, thanks for coming. And if you're old here, you know the vibes already. It's Bougie and her cruise. I love you, but God loves you more. And if you're new here, thanks for joining the cruise. Thanks for loving and supporting me, and thanks for subscribing. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy. For coming to see your Bougie. And if you're old here, you know the vibes already. I love you, and God loves you more. And Bougie and the cruise is yet to move and hasn't moved yet. So guys, today I don't really know. I don't really have anything to talk about, but I'm just feeling the Hamatan mood. I'm just happy. Today's 22nd. We are drawing closer to Christmas, and I can't wait, guys. Like I can't wait. So like today, I just want to talk about some presents you can get for your boyfriend, your mom, your dad, who else? Yeah, and your girlfriend. So, and then I'll put the creation of the clips inside of this video so you guys can see. So this is Vlogmas Day 8. Officially Vlogmas Day 8 and not Vlogmas Day 9. Tomorrow I'm going to do Vlogmas Day 9. And tomorrow's next I'm going to do Vlogmas Day 10, and then we are done. Probably we're going to do it to 15 or something. I don't know. I'm not too sure. So, yeah, so the first thing I would suggest you get for your, let's start with a boyfriend and a girlfriend aspect before we go to mom and dad. The first thing I want you to get, like the first idea, Christmas idea I would want you to get for your boyfriend is if he's someone who really loves smell, like perfume, like nice smell, you can get him a customized perfume. I don't even know if they do some in Ghana here, but I've seen some before. A customized perfume. You can get him maybe a customized what's the name? Yes, a customized diffuser. You can get him a range of Nivea body sprays, or huh? You thought I was about to say it. Yes, and if he's someone who loves shadows like dresses, and you know the type of stuff he likes, let's say sweatpants. My boyfriend like this, he loves sweatpants, but doesn't love sweatpants the way he loves jeans trousers, especially black jeans trousers. So I know his favorites, so I'm going to get him a black jeans. I'm not saying I'm going to get it for him this Christmas, so please. I'm saying like I would get that for him. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm going to get that for him, and then I'll be oh good. How about time? I'm going to get that jeans for him, and I know he likes kind of big tops, like shirts, something like this top and this top. Yes, I know he likes this kind of tops, so I'm definitely gonna get it for him. Like if I'm going to get him a Christmas gift, and if he's a lover of wristwatch, honestly, like if you have enough money, girl, and you would want to surprise your boyfriend big time this Christmas, I would want you to get him like an Apple Watch if he really loves watch. because the boys of late, they are doing to the worst, they are doing the most with Apple Watch, and it's pissing me. But if you know your boyfriend likes watches, you can get him an Apple Watch so that he uses it to rest more on the girlfriend or the other girls, so that they will say yes, his girlfriend too is one. So she also knows herself. And some ideas for your girlfriend too. If she loves perfume, you could get her hair weaves, like surprises. You can surprise her with a weave, hair bundles. You could surprise her with a new phone. You can surprise her with a fluffy, nice phone cover and some other stuff. You can surprise her with a customized mug. For the girls, you can surprise her with a customized necklace, bracelet, and maybe an anklet. All can be customized. You can surprise her with a handbag, travel size handbag. You can surprise her with sets of lovely suitcases, like the sets, lovely ones, very beautiful. You know she will love in pink if you know your girlfriend really loves pink, or in her favorite color she likes. And you can get her heels if she loves heels from Delagie. You can get her heels from Delagie as well. Yeah, you can get her clothes if she loves just wears. You can get her just wears from Delagie too. And if she loves tie and dye stuffs, you can get tie and dye stuffs from Gets Bougie Clothing. So and you could get her fox belly rings and fox nose rings from you. Everything bougie. So guys, you see, I'm your number one plug this Christmas. So you should come see me. Let me link you up small with certain things, and then you get for your boyfriend or your girlfriend this Christmas. So guys, I don't know, but for your parents too, I know you've known your parents for long. Most of you have known your parents for long. So if you know what they like, you just add it, give it to them, let them feel okay, Charlie. Your mom and your dad are your toughest priorities, right? Aside your boyfriend and maybe your girlfriend. So you could get something more expensive or something more like a way kakra than what you got for your boyfriend or something. You can get the same thing you're getting for your boyfriend, but something more expensive and something more upgraded, or something that, like, when you give to your parents, they'll like quite appreciate it. You can't go and give your mother or your dad, okay, you can't go and give your dad a tie and dye shirt to wear, like. So guys, I don't know, but this brings us to the end of the gift section and gift ideas and blah 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 blah. And so I'm gonna put the clips of me decorating a Christmas tree inside of here. But mind you, it's a clip of yesterday, 2 days ago. So it's like, it's not today. I didn't clip the video today. I did it like 2 days ago. So the outfits are quite different. So can't bear with me, guys. So watch the decoration of the Christmas tree and we get back, guys. Stay tuned. Annually every year in my mommy's house, my mommy and my daddy's house, let me see, and we decorate our Christmas tree annually every Christmas. So I do it with them, and it's something like it's like a religion to me. So for like 3 years now, I haven't done it. I feel like, let me do it this year. That's why I'm doing this for Vlogmas this year too as well. I should put this on top, right? But this is look shiny. I wanted it to be more of white and pink, but I don't know if I see some of the white ones cute and it's looking quite lovely. Guys, my hard work, my efforts, and my lovely Christmas tree. I'm still going to. So I hope you enjoyed my clip on the clips on the creating a Christmas tree, and I hope my Christmas tree is as lovely as you guys wanted. I don't know if it's that nice. I wanted it to be more of pink and white, but I think this is okay because baby says he likes this. So we are managing this, guys.
So tomorrow, see you guys in my video tomorrow. Stay tuned, guys. For Vlogmas day 9. And I don't know what it's gonna be. That's gonna be interesting. So guys, stay tuned. Love you. Thanks for watching.
And subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe, please. Subscribe if you haven't. It gives your girl a whole lot of motivation. So please subscribe if you haven't. Please. And comment and like after watching this video. Peace out, guys. Love you.